You probably have heard about the hair transplant FUE procedure becoming more efficient and better quality. I'm going to review that, and I'm going to tell you why and how we got to where we are. Hi, Dr. Mohebi here. I'm going to go over the mega session FUE hair transplant with simultaneous extraction and placement. So the patient is a class 3V or close to class 4 with some recession of the front and corners and some sizable baldness on the crown area. So we are doing a bigger size FUE procedure up to 2700 FUE grafts to give him a nice and solid hairline. At the same time, we want to give him a good coverage and good density on the crown area. So patient has class 3V, meaning he has recession of the hairline and front, and he has a big patch of baldness on the crown area. So we're going to make this nice and solid in front. We made that irregular hairline the way naturally should be, and the crown should be maximum density. And as we go from front crown toward the top, we put some hair on the top areas that we predict he will lose in the future too. So for this procedure, after sedation and local anesthesia, we start making sites. I have to design hairline and then the crown area by making the small incisions one at a time that determines the direction and distribution of the eventual hair growing. When all the sites are done, we change patient's position and we start extracting hair and placing them. We call it simultaneous extraction placement. So they usually, you see a team of like 4 people working on patient at the same time. As I'm extracting the hair one at a time with the Trivellini system, my technicians are following me, removing them and collecting them and looking at them on the microscope, sorting them out, putting them into like small groups. So as I'm extracting, the sites are already done. My technicians can start placing the grafts. The placing teams are usually 1 or 2 people that start placing the grafts as we are extracting. And that is probably the most efficient way of doing hair transplant. I hope you enjoyed the video about the mega session FUE hair transplant. If you have any questions, be sure to put them on the comment section and we'll get back to you. Also follow us on social media and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more advancements in hair restoration procedures.